Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, quick update. The market hasn't really moved this week yet. Nothing too exciting yet. So I'm still tracking here a complex WXYXZ structure. Very complex correction. Main reason why I'm tracking this correction is because so far silver has not yet managed to break out to the upside, and all the rallies that we've witnessed here so far have been corrective in nature. So I'm still tracking here possibly further upside trend continuation. Remember that the idea is that we've had an A-wave rally into the 2024 April highs. Yeah, that was wave A. 1 second, let me zoom out a bit. So let's show that here. We're dealing with a larger ABC structure, and that's wave A of 3. Then this here is a B wave of wave 3. We're dealing with a large diagonal pattern. And we're now in that C wave, right? And the C wave is a 5-wave move. I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, which is still unfolding. Consequently, the third wave, the fourth, and the fifth, they all need to shift over to the side. These metals rallies, once they are done, they take ages to correct, and that's precisely what we see right now. Someone asked me in the last video what my target would be here for the third wave to the upside, and obviously the condition is that we're holding the $27 level. That's the lower boundary line of this support zone for this wave 2. Anything below that would require me to, let's say, change the overall scenario, and I would assume that we are probably here still in this B wave, right? But that's not the expectation at the moment. I can count a 5-wave increase into the May highs. Therefore, I'm calling that wave 1 of C. This here is wave 2. It also looks corrective. It just doesn't look finished yet. And I mean, unless the third wave is also unfolding as some kind of a strange pattern, or this is a diagonal pattern itself, I'm expecting here probably one more low, or at least it is not very evident yet that the correction is over. I could also take out this entire microstructure. It might even be better. But the thing is, all it shows us is that, in my view, it is more likely at the moment with the data I have that the wave 2 is resetting a little bit lower. In the orange support area, yes, but there is no sign or confirmation at this stage that the third wave here to the upside into the $38 to $39 region is already starting. So that's also the target range up here, $37, $38 to $39 for the third wave. Going to the 30-minute chart, idea is that we might have started here this B wave maybe. I mean, it is a complex WXYXZ structure. The Z wave is an ABC structure. The A wave looks like a 5-wave move, and therefore a B wave could be unfolding right now. And the B wave itself would again be an ABC structure. We need to see how this is now unfolding in detail. Obviously, micro counting like this doesn't make so much sense, but it gives you an idea of, you know, my current thought process. Idea is therefore that as long as we stay now below this standard resistance area, which I'm defining right now, the downside pressure is high and we should see one more low. Standard resistance here for this B wave rally is between $30 and $30.52. Any break above it would also come along with a break of the trend line, and then probably lead to a test of the next trend line, which could act as resistance around $31.50, and then we could test this resistance range, which is around $32.50, and then from there we can finally break out. So there's a little bit of work to do for silver before really breaking out. And yeah, you should now be aware about the relevant support levels, resistances, and yeah, if there is another low, $28.37 is next support. That's my update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, Feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 servers. You'll find a link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching.